Hello everyone, and welcome to this cool game called, I forgot the name, but you have to make animal sounds myself. That's a little weird. Does it, but it does kind of, can I like, I'm trying to like, I gotta check if I'm recording. Okay, good, I'm recording. Sorry about that. I had to always make sure, like, to record or make sure to check I'm recording. Okay, but I have to make animal sounds myself. That sounds kind of fun. Alright, I walk down with, like, WASD. Alright, what's this? A duck! Oh my god, I got it. Bing bong! Bing bong! I like it. Bong! Oh my god. Bing bong! Windy Hill. What is this? Bing bong! God, that's funny. What's this? A sheep! Give me your tax dollars and Pringle. Give me your tax dollars and Pringles. Give me your tax dollars and Pringles. Oh crap, I didn't mean to record it. Oh crap, I didn't mean to record it. I'm keeping it. Oh crap, I didn't mean to record it. This is awesome. Bing bong! Dear God, I'm gonna grow up to Bing bong! It's so annoying, but I love it. Oh, well, oh, it's a goat. Oh my god, I love it. This is so stupid, but bong. Oh, I can move it. Bing bong. What else can I buy? Oh crap, I didn't mean to record. Oh my god. I'm gonna change. Oh crap, I didn't mean to record. Oh crap, I didn't mean to record. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. I love it. Let me pick you up. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. This is so stupid, I love it. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. Bing bong! Oh wait, I have enough money for... Oh, you're walking here, bruv! Adopt. I hate my life. I hate my life. Fox, why are you over there, Fox? I hate my life. You're going down here. Oh, I'm walking here, bro. I hate my life. Bing bong here, bro. I hate my life. Oh, is that a penguin? Oh. Hey, where do y'all keep the Pringles, by the way? Hey, where do y'all keep the Pringles, by the way? I don't like it. Wait, I have a spare can of soda right by me. One sec. Noot noot. I know. Noot noot. Noot noot. It's perfect. I know. Noot noot. Noot noot. Noot noot. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. Jungle Chorus Camp. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. 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 This is so funny. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Do it. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. The $3 I spent to get the game on Steam was very much worth. Sipping a cola instead. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. Is it like? Oh, it's the white polar bear, I think. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. Wait, how much did it cost? Oh, I can adopt it. Oh my god, he looks so derpy. No thoughts. Head empty. No thoughts. Head empty. Give me a Coca-Cola! Give me a Coca-Cola! It's perfect. Give me a Coca-Cola! Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Bing bong! I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. That's so good. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I love it. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Listen to her. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Huh. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. But my math teacher, she gave us an overweight. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Any breakfast cereal. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Oh. Kids, stop believing my life. And boom. Am real frick. Am real frick. Am Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Am Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Am Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my... Oh, cool, the savannah. Can I drown myself in the lake? No, I cannot. Can I drown myself in the... No. That's very much a good thing. Ooh, mushroom. Another mushroom. Mushrooms in this place. And blue flowers. Beautiful. Beautiful little blue flowers I do enjoy. Bing bong! The random bing bong duck is coming to the mushroom area. Bing bong! Oh my god, what the heck is this? Bing bong! Bing bong! Bing bong! bong! You're going over here in the solitary confinement. Bing bong! Where that abomination belongs. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. My life. Never tell it a secret, you'll regret. Oh, it's a parrot. Oh, he's gonna join the Bing Bong animal. Oh God. Yo, the next door neighbor's talking about bombs. You know. Yo, the next door neighbor built a bomb. Yo, the next door neighbor built a bomb. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. Perfect. Bing bong! To join the severely autistic duck. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. Bomb out of a Bing bong! Can. I made a bomb out of a Bing bong! Can. Move it. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. This is really dumb. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. Perfect. You're sitting on whatever. I made a bomb is extra brown grass or something. I hate my life. I think I have enough for the pay or the thing. Flamingo. There's some tasty water. There's some tasty water. I hate it. I wish I could edit that out of the video. Boy, I tell you what, if you give me the Pringle. Boy, I tell you what, if you give me the Boy, I tell you what, if you give me the Boy, I tell you what. Boy, I tell you what. I made a bomb out of I hate my life. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Coca-Cola. I forgot what you say. Hey, I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Oh yeah? Coca-Cola. Newton, give me a Coca-Cola. Newton. I'm a walrus and that's what we're related to. Oh. Yo, wait, I know what to do. Yo, wait, hold on. I gotta pull up my Duolingo. I have Duolingo. Oh, man. I'm just gonna go down to like the very first French lesson I did. Use basic phrases.
So.
Yes. I made a bomb. Oi, I'm walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oi, I made a bomb out of a Bing bong. Oh yeah, I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. You're standing on them. No! Oh, come on! You're standing. No! You're standing. You're here. No! You're sitting alone. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. Oh, yeah. We got a bad deal with these foreign countries. We got a bad deal with these foreign countries. I don't think that was the best Trump voice I could do. China. China. I love it. I love it. I love it. I made a bomb out of bacon here, bro. I hate my life. You know what? I'm gonna get you two some friends. Yeah, bruv. I hate my life. Sitting next to this abomination probably. Oh, you're walking without some friends. I made a bomb out of China. I hate my life. You're gonna hate it even more. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. I made a bomb out of Bing bong. 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 You're going over here. You're sitting in the I made a bomb out of Bing bong. I don't want to change it because it's funny. Oh, you're walking here, bro. I hate my life. Don't worry, little boy. You're walking here, bro. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bro. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bro. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bro. I hate my life. Perfect. Rudolph the red-nosed moron. I am a walrus and I'm overweight. Oh, it's the. Oh my god. That face tells me it's gonna be hilarious. Huh. You're walking here, bro. I hate my life. You're going. Nope. China. Washed out animals we placed here sound a little different. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. I hate my life. Sorry, it's kind of unpopulated. Go. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. Life. What next animal can I adopt? Rhinoceros. What's up? I'm a rhino. What's up? I'm a rhino. What's up? I'm a rhino. Yeah. What's up? I'm a rhino. Yeah. What's up? I'm a rhino. Yeah, I'm just gonna do What's up? I'm a rhino. I hate my life. You know what, little fox man? You're gonna go over here. I hate my life. What's up? I'm a rhino. Do it. China. I love it. What can I get next? Since one is a nose, also a hand. do this one for? What the heck? I just summoned China. What's up? Hello. This is so stupid. I love it. How much more? I hate my life. I've gotten a lot so far. I hate my life. I hate my life. Yawn and you think it could swallow a car. I hate my life. What's this? Oh, I'm walking here, bruv. This is a weird rock. Oh, I'm walking here, bruv. This is the weirdest game I've ever seen. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Give me a Coca-Cola! Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Hey, I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Give me a Coca-Cola! The Red-Nosed Moron. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Hey, I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Give me a Coca-Cola! Oh, I have enough money. Oh my god. I like them big. I like them chunky. 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 Yes. Chunky. Stupid. I like them big. I like them chunky. China. This autistic elephant. Can I change the names? China. Bomb out of Pringles can. You. I made a bomb out of Bing Bong. You absolute disgrace. I made a bomb out of Bing Bong. It's probably my favorite part about the game is just moving around. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. You can't even hear what he's saying. Oh I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. Can I buy the next? Oh, it's this cute in cartoons, but in reality, it's not. Hey, I just like a cheeseburger. Hey, I just like a cheeseburger. Yes. Wait. Okay. Hey, I just like a cheeseburger. It's probably gonna be one of my shorter episodes, but I think I'm gonna end it off here. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Hey, let me do one. Give me a Coca-Cola. Newt Newt. You got Newt Newt. Hey, I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Moron. Give me a Coca-Cola. Fat walrus guy. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. Oh, you're walking here, bruv. Speak. No. No. I made a bomb out of a Pringles can. It's just the single walkthrough. China. Nope. What's up? I'm a rhino. Nope. China. Frog enthusiast. What the heck is that? God. I want to buy it, but at the same time, that'd be horrible. I like them big. I like them chunky. What's the
Hey, I just like a cheeseburger.
speak?
Hey, I just like a cheeseburger.
Overweight.
Hey,
Oh, there's something. Oh, the overweight. Hey, I'm a walrus and I'm overweight. So goofy. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video right here.
oh, you're walking here, bruv.
With this madness. Bomb out of a Pringles can. I made a bomb out of a
Bing
Pringles can.
bong.
Goodbye, everybody. I made a bomb.